Hello everyone, welcome to another Growing with the Gold. I'm Michael Beck. We are here in our food production greenhouse in Blue Lake, California. Been following us through the process. We've got our beds in, we've got our beds filled with a variety of different mixes. Today, we're gonna get some of these crops planted and going. We've got some broccoli, some cauliflower, some sprouting broccoli, and some Romanesco. So we're gonna get these planted in a few different beds. We're gonna kind of mix it up a little bit. We've also got some cabbages and some Brussels sprouts. So we're gonna do a couple different variations in these beds, but we're gonna get 3 beds, one of each different variety of soil planted. Again, the successional planting. We're gonna keep rolling different crops in every couple weeks, keep things coming. We're also gonna get some of our big 400-gallon pots planted. We've got sprouts popping up in the others, and we're ready to get some more going in the rest of these. You can really see how well these roots have established. They're nice, soft, fuzzy white. This is our potting and propagation mix designed specifically for this type of application. Look how great that is. Nice and soft. These roots pushed through really nicely. We've got healthy established plants. That's what we're looking for. These are ready to get into their bigger bed and start getting some more food. There's already food here in the planting mix, so we'll get these planted and get them fed again in about 2 weeks. All right, so we've got this first bed planted. We've got Romanesco, we've got a sprouting broccoli, and we've got cauliflower. We're gonna go down and do 2 more of these with a couple different mixes of cauliflowers, broccolis, Romanesco, maybe some cabbage and Brussels. We'll get all these knocked out, replanted, and we'll check in with you again next time on Growing with the Gold. Keep coming back to see why Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening.